Welcome back. Now we are looking into something interesting from SMrush called good content. Basically, this is sort of set of free resources or resources they have created in terms of learning content marketing, free resources on content marketing, and free tools for content marketing. I will leave in the description. You can check it out. This is called good content. You can see it as a SMrush logo here. Basically, it gives you very good amount of starter kit to get started on content marketing. There are blog posts, free tools, and also with the state of content marketing you can also read the full report here as well. It is really good resource. The main thing which interests to me is under here you can go into free resources and you can find ebook and templates for content marketing. You can look into that. Content marketing blog, you can see into it, success spotlight. But the main important thing is under free tool you get access to various free tools which will help you. For example, AI text generator, you can generate various text using that. For example, something like I might do something like SEO and create generate content, and it will help me to generate blog title related to that. So you can see it is a cool little stuff for me. I can do various stuff with the free tool. Word counter tool is there for me. I can enter amount of text, maybe something like this, and click here, and it will automatically count words for me, characters, sentence, paragraph, readability, tone of voice, SEO. All these data are shown here. And also it based on this it shows that I'm well over any, like if say for Instagram it is 150 characters or less, for Facebook 250 or less, for Twitter 280 or less, in LinkedIn so $300. So we are currently here, so we are saying we are over past all this, we are moving towards a blog post. So it gives you a nice visual indicator as well. Next we have title generator. We already looked into it, so but there is a separate tool for that. Paraphrasing tool, like you can enter a text here, something like here. Let me copy paste this and paste it here, and when I click on paraphrase, what it will do is SMrush good content tool automatically will paraphrase this tool for me. You can see the initial text which I entered was get all the important insights into the CS content marketing trends, win projection and more. Learn everything you need to know about this year content marketing trends, winner forecast and more. So you can see it does a really good job. So I can regenerate if I want. It also shows the word count, readability, sum out, what kind of form, tone of voice. I can click on copy paste it from here itself. So that is the paraphrase tool within SM good content. Then we have summary generator where I can enter a text here. Basically, maybe let's see whether this works or not. I'm just going to copy paste all the text I found in this page itself, and I'm going to put into the summary. I can select as a paragraph or bullet point, short, medium, long, whichever the one I want, and it ideally will help you to create a summary for you. Let me see whether this works or not. And you can see it has created a summary. The summary seems to be really good, to be honest. Nothing misleading or anything like that, but it does a good job based on the text we provided. We posted 287 words and asked to create a medium summary, and it created 86 word summary for us. So that is the summary generator. Then we have AI social media post generator. I can either give a domain or URL of a website, a trending story, and ask it to create a post based on that, and it will create a post for us. So that is a good tool. You can test it out to see how it works for you. Then we have paragraph rewriter. If you want to rewrite a paragraph, I can do it. I can give to between something 200 words or less. So might put something like is there any paragraph here? I just put something here, maybe this. If I can copy this, for some reason I'm not able to copy paste that. Maybe something like this. I have pasted it here. I click on paraphrase and it will paraphrase my paragraph for me. Let's see. And you can see it automatically does it for me, similar to paraphrase tool. Sentence rewriter, same thing with sentence. Then we have proofreader also. I copy paste some text here and it will let me know what are the issues with it. Total number of words used, sentences, paragraphs, reading time, readability type, voice, and what are the issues with the particular text. So I can, it also highlights it, so you can see avoid using too many pronouns, modal verb, avoid using too many verbs, so I can get a rest add improve information. And it's saying giving with improve with the AI. When I go into that, it goes into their content shake AI, which is available through their app center. Here you can use start free, then maybe after that it will take, depending on the tool you're using, it will take whether it's a free subscription or paid, it will say it for you. So those are the tools which is available within Good Content. Pretty little neat free set of tools along with some information on content marketing I wanted to share with you.